TDTR DAV Institute of Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation is the most successful institutes in North India for physiotherapy education. There are many reasons for this, one of which is job placement. The students who have been educated from the institute are serving as physiotherapists in well-known hospitals of the country and abroad. At the same time, many students have set up their own clinics. The institute vision is to provide community with competent, comprehensive physiotherapy professionals and affordable holistic rehabilitation services. Let us know a little more about the institute.
TDTR DAV Institute of Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation has established itself as a premier institution of learning, providing quality education, best physiotherapy treatment to the patients. It has been making a significant contribution to the society through spreading value-based education by keeping the ancient Vedic heritage in mind. The institute is conducting several long-term courses like 4.5 years bachelor degree in physiotherapy started in 1997 and 2 years master degree in physiotherapy courses since 2012. In short span of years, it has advanced tremendously to be regarded as a leading institute of physiotherapy in North India by virtue of its quality education and rehabilitation services. The institute is a self-financing, unaided non-profit center for the benefit of citizens of India. Our students have been bringing laurels to the institute by bagging the various top positions in university. The college has the best student-teacher ratio. We have dedicated, highly qualified, and perhaps the most experienced teaching faculty within the state of Haryana. Besides our regular faculty of physiotherapy, the institute also has services of medical specialists who take on academics dearly and also provide regular inputs for enhancement of our services. It has separate girls' hostel in the campus with all modern amenities. Physiotherapy is the lifeline for modern health care in terms of reduced patient care as a whole. The institute aims for quality physiotherapy education and patient care with state-of-art and modern physiotherapy facilities at the institute hospital and research infrastructure at the college. The institute offers comprehensive and quality rehabilitation care to the people of Haryana. The institute has an outpatients department, OPD, with all the latest and ultra-modern electrotherapy and exercise therapy instruments, including gymnasium to provide quality treatment for various conditions. Department has inputs of patients who suffer from various orthopedic, neurological, cardiorespiratory diseases and sports injuries. The prime focus of the institute has been quality sustenance and enhancement with specific future plans for quality enhancement in academics, patient care and research. To impact high quality of education, the institute is having collaboration with various reputed hospitals in and around Yamunanagar, Haryana.